Stop wasting time on messy handwriting when these affordable label makers can organize your entire life and business instantly. First up, we have a heavy hitter for small business owners who need to streamline their shipping and logistics without breaking the bank. This desktop thermal printer is a productivity beast, hitting speeds up to 180 millimeters per second, so you aren't waiting around for your labels to crawl out of the machine. It delivers a crisp 203 dpi resolution, ensuring your barcodes and text are sharp enough for any scanner to read perfectly every single time. While it doesn't handle the massive 4x6 labels, its support for widths between 25 and 80 millimeters makes it incredibly versatile for retail tags or visitor badges. If you're running a TikTok shop or an Etsy store from your home office, this is the reliable workhorse you need to keep orders moving. Imagine blasting through a stack of 50 product labels in under a minute. That's the kind of efficiency this compact unit brings to your desk. Next, at number 2, we're looking at a sleek, portable solution that's perfect for anyone obsessed with home and kitchen organization. This wireless mini printer connects effortlessly via Bluetooth, allowing you to design custom stickers right from your phone using a variety of built-in templates. It's small enough to toss into a drawer or a craft bag, yet it's powerful enough to handle all your labeling needs for school supplies or office files. This is the ideal choice for parents labeling lunchboxes or hobbyists who want their storage bins to look professional and uniform. You can quickly whip up a batch of waterproof labels for your spice rack or pantry containers to keep your kitchen looking like a Pinterest board. The direct thermal technology means you never have to worry about buying expensive ink or toner, making it a sustainable choice for long-term use. Now for number 3, we have an upgraded smart labeler that actually features a built-in screen to give you more control over your printing tasks. This model comes bundled with 5 rolls of tape, so you can start organizing every corner of your house the moment you open the box. It's specifically designed for crafters and teachers who need a rechargeable, handheld device that offers a massive library of fonts and icons. The smart screen helps you track your settings and battery life, ensuring you're never caught off guard in the middle of a big project. If you're a teacher setting up a new classroom, you can use this to label folders, cubbies, and supply bins with fun, stylish fonts that kids will love. It's incredibly lightweight and fits comfortably in your hand, making it the most user-friendly option for marathon labeling sessions. Coming in at number 4 is a minimalist's dream that prioritizes ease of use and a clean aesthetic for your workspace. This wireless mini printer is built for those who want a set-it-and-forget-it experience, offering seamless Bluetooth pairing and a highly intuitive app interface. It comes packed with multiple templates that make it easy to create anything from simple address labels to decorative stickers for your planner or journal. Students will find this particularly useful for keeping their notebooks and tech cables organized during a busy semester. You can quickly print out a label for your laptop charger or a specific folder for your thesis project to ensure nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Because it uses thermal paper, you'll save a ton of money over time while maintaining a high-quality look for all your personal belongings. And finally, number 5 is the ultimate solution for serious small business owners who need a professional-grade shipping printer that handles full-size labels. Unlike smaller units, this machine supports standard 4x6 shipping labels and works flawlessly with everything from your iPhone to your Chromebook. It's fully compatible with major platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and USPS, making it a versatile hub for your entire e-commerce operation. This is the printer you buy when you're tired of taping paper labels to boxes and want a streamlined peel-and-stick workflow. Imagine being able to print a shipping label directly from your phone while you're still in the warehouse, saving you trips back and forth to a computer. It's rugged, reliable, and designed to handle the high-volume demands of a growing business without breaking a sweat.
Make sure to check the links in the description below to find the best deals on all 5 of these label makers. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech and organization reviews. Comment below and let me know which one you're picking up, or if there's another gadget you want me to test next. Stay organized, and I'll see you in the next one.